Tales of Two Musketeers. Best places to visit in Europe. Part 1. 1. Paris. What to do in Paris? If we needed to choose 10 spots, here are the ones we would prescribe you to visit in Paris. Feel free to fall head over heels. A. Eiffel Tower. What might Paris be without its representative Eiffel Tower? Worked by Gustave Eiffel to celebrate the century of the French Revolution, it is introduced at the Exposition Universelle in Paris in 1889. 324 meters high, it is one of the most visited landmarks on the planet with almost 7 million guests per year. The principal floor houses the Eiffel Tower 58, which reaches out more than 2 levels, 58 meters over the ground as its name recommends. On the subsequent floor, the view is awesome at 115 meters since you have a plunging view on the ground beneath. At last, on the third floor at 275 meters, you can see what the workplace of Gustave Eiffel was. For the more daring one, it is feasible to utilize the steps and climb the means 1665 to the culmination. The climb of the Eiffel Tower is an unquestionable requirement to partake in the brilliant perspective on Paris. B. Notre Dame Cathedral. One of the most suffering images of Paris, Notre Dame de Paris, otherwise called Notre Dame, a Roman Catholic basilica, is situated on the eastern portion of the Ile de la Cité. It is generally viewed as probably the best illustration of French Gothic design in France and Europe. Started in 1163 and finished in 1345, this church is a sight with its gateways encompassed by his many models and foreboding figures that embellish the rooftop. We encourage you to stroll around the basilica. Then, at that point, head inside and climb the 387 stages to the highest point of the pinnacles. The move to the highest point of the pinnacles can be debilitating. However, you will get an all-encompassing perspective on the area and see the popular foreboding figures very close. C. Louvre Museum. The Louvre is the most visited craftsmanship historical center on the planet. Situated in the core of Paris, this notable structure is a previous imperial royal residence, with a space of 210,000 square meters including 60,600 for the shows. The galleries housed in the Louvre, initially a fort worked in the late 12th century under Philip II. The remaining parts of the stronghold are apparent in the cellar of the historical center. The assortment is partitioned into 8 divisions: Egyptian ancient pieces, Oriental ancient pieces, Greek, Etruscan and Roman, Islamic art, models of the Middle Ages, Renaissance and modern times, objects of craftsmanship, compositions, realistic expressions.